Pulling up standing, his pants pulled along. Hey, thank you for the table.
It's nice and sturdy. Can you come over here and get the little candlestick maker? Crawl over here. And walk over here. You going down? Look at you.
Good job.
Nice sitting.
Well done, Oscar. Yeah, more what? I put something in my mouth and then I'll crawl with it.
Well, I'm gonna take it with me. That's the only way.
Oh, shucks. Hard to keep that one in your mouth, isn't it?
You gonna climb? You gonna climb? Good job. You did it.
Yay! Now I'll beat Papa with my
Yay.
toy. Don't do that, baby.
You need my shoulder? Yeah. Awesome. Perfect.
This would be a very nice video for Grandma.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's a very nice video for Grandma. Yeah.
Jingle, 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 jingle. Oh,
Oh, shucks.
you get it? Why would I do that?
There you go. You got it.
Well done.
Are you gonna go get the kitty now?
Kitty, kitty.
Kitty's hunting a moth.
Kitty, kitty.
Oh, goodness. Oscar. What you doing?
There you go.
Let's limit ourselves. Oh, did you drop it over the side?
Oops.
Good save. So I was throwing something at the kitty, but then I fell. Shoo! Okay.